Today I noticed that when I downloaded a mp3 file from YouTube, this particular one here, I noticed the sound was fairly loud compared to the normal mp3 that I usually use. And I wanted to go through with you how to normalize a sound difference between the two, and this only applies to deadbeef. What I'm going to show you, deadbeef is a music player that I use in all my PuppyLinux, and I find it very good quality and very useful. So I'm going to show you this on a Fussa Pup 64, and then let me just go to deadbeef, which is highly customized, obviously. So what you want to do is look at the VU meter, and I have these two loaded up in a so this is the one I downloaded, and we'll just take a closer look. So initially when I this is the one that's downloaded, and it's pretty loud. So the reason I picked the Korean songs is because that they tend to seem to like that they vary a little bit more, and as far as loudness, and then hopefully I don't get tagged on a YouTube video. So we'll just go ahead and try to see. So this is, let me just go ahead and grab both of them, and then I'll go right click, and then look at the replay gain, and we'll remove any replay gain information. So there's nothing that's adjusting the normalization of the sound level. So we'll just go ahead and play the first one. So you can see that most of the view meter settings are near the middle. Okay, so now we're gonna listen to the one that I downloaded. You can see that most of it is high up. So what we want to do is we can so if you have 1,000 mp3 files, it'll be it can be somewhat irritating, and it may be somewhat overwhelming, but this principle works exactly the same. I'm just going to show you with the two files here. So Control A will bring up both of them. So both of the files are getting ready to adjust the gain. So I'll just right click again, and then we're going to go into replay gain, and then file track gain is the first one that I use, and this works exactly the same if you have 20 or 100 files. So I'll just go ahead and click, and then it's going to do its thing. So it usually doesn't take that long, so we'll just wait, and then you get another screen says tag. So it's making it less loud, both of them. So minus 8 dB and minus 52 dB, second one. So we'll just go ahead and update the file tags. Okay, so now it's done actually. So what we can do is listen to again to the one that was a VU meter was hovering up here. So we'll go ahead and listen to. Now you can see that it's much less loud, and the quality to me sounds good, same. And then we'll go to the first one again. So it's a little bit so it hangs around here. So now I should mention that just in case that you notice that it doesn't seem to work, you may have to get into the menu here and go to edit, and then advanced replay gain settings, and check. I have mine set all in tracked, and that seems to work. And also the other menu setting, you want to look at the preferences, and then on a playback what you need to do is processing. You need to enable processing. So apply gain, and I have you either have to have it on apply gain or prevent clipping. Okay, this is the one I have, and then okay, and then you have to reboot, and then you should have reply gain being applied if that happens. After that, okay, so that's it.